Hello, and this is a short video to show you how to navigate this Moodle site for Module 3 Teamwork and Communication. Let's begin. So the Moodle is a scrolling learning management system, and information is pasted all on one page, and then the student would scroll down. But in order to cut the length of the scroll, we use various tools that is offered by Moodle. So in this first section, tool selection, there's some information, and then there's a link to some more information about that tool in order to return to the home page or the front page. You can easily use those breadcrumbs, or you can use these tools at the side. If you want to enlarge your page, you can close that. Okay, and here is a discussion board activity. So students would click on it, add a new discussion topic, and then when they're done, they would post a comment from their peers or respond to two of their peers. The good thing about the discussion posts in Moodle is that they do give you a window, 15 minutes, where you can go back and edit once you've submitted before it finalizes. So again, we continue along, same thing. More information on the links, and remember to go back to the front page. You just go back to a breadcrumb, or you use the table of contents. And if we go down, we see that there are some videos embedded right on the web page. You can play the video on the page, or you can enlarge it, or you can go to YouTube. And then finally, the bottom is the final assignment. This link is a link where the person has typed their assignment in a Word document or created a PDF document, and they add their submission, and this is submitted for grading. So if I go back to the top, okay, thank you, and good luck with your course.